Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to share with you how to enable or disable notch in your Huawei P30 Lite device. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow some cases you don't like this notch system. If you want to disable this notch, you can do so. Just simply go on your settings section and then you will find here display. Simply click over there and you'll find here more display setting. A new skill app here, you have to choose this notch and then a skin app, which by default you can see the notch is enabled. If you want to hide notch, simply choose this and it's going to immediately hide your notch. If you want to re-enable notch, you can do so same way. Just go on setting and then display, more display setting, notch, and then choose this default. So it's going to return back as usual. So this is how you can enable or disable notch in your Huawei P30 Lite device. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.